am going to teach you how to make a Wakelet. So I already made a Wakelet tutorial, but normally what I would do is I would create a new collection by pressing this button here. Instead, I'm going to go to this Wakelet tutorial that I've already made for you all. So I come here. Normally this isn't here, this image, but normally we have a title that we can input things into and then a tutorial for all things Wakelet. So I'm going to edit this. And I want to show you how to do the image. So I'm going to click Edit Cover Image. And we can upload an image, we can choose one from our library, or we can reposition or remove. So let's try repositioning. Alright, I want to make this really, really big. Save. And now I've decided I don't like that, so I'm going to do a half cover image. And that makes everything a little bit smaller. But really I don't like any of that, so what I'm going to do is the Choose from Library option. And I'm immediately taken to the photo service Unsplash. These are non-copyrighted photos, so we can use these ethically within our Wakelet templates. I'm going to choose this pretty purple one right over here. There we go. And now I need to add content. So first, I'm going to go to YouTube, and I'm going to copy this link here for this Are You Biased video. And I'm going to go back to Wakelet and just link it on in there. Alright, so now we have Are You Biased? And I'd also like to just add a little bit of a little bit of context about this video. So I'm going to say something about it's important, I can spell, for students to be able to identify bias in news media, period. And I can also say, why? Question mark. And I can bold it, or I can do a header, why? Or a smaller header, why? And within here I can also add a few other links. So let's do a little list, and let's link stuff about purchasing things for children's collections, I guess. Boop. And one more. Boop. Alright, done. And then we can add more content here. So if we go over here, this is a website about the coronavirus and women's health research. And I'm going to go back to my Wakelet and just link it in there. And it's thinking. But now it's pulled up a description of the website along with a picture. Now I can edit this if I want because this looks a little messy. So what I might want to do is just take away all of this and keep that. And there we go. Now, if I want to embed this Wakelet into a LibGuide, what I do is I change from private, and I'm going to change to unlisted so anyone with a link can see this. I'm going to click Done, and then I'm going to click this Share This Collection button. I want to do Embedded, and from here what I can do is fix the height. So let's say I want the height to be 200. Oops. 250 is the minimum we can do, so 250. Oh, it's not letting me. Alright, so let's try. There we go. And then I'm going to copy this embed code and go over to my lip guide over here and go down and add a box. It's not going to have a name. Nope, I guess it has to have a name. Harmony Birch. There we go. And I'm going to go to media/widget, put this here, and now we have a wakelet. Now, what I could do, because this is a horizontal box, is I could go back here and I can change this to be a different type of wakelet. So I can do it this way, or I can go like this, and this is kind of like, if we scroll down, you can see more of a box scenario. I like this one, so that's what we're going to do. So let's copy again, copy, go back, we can edit this, Control A, Control V, save, and there you go, you have a wakelet. Now, sometimes I find that if I choose a certain background image, we can't change this text to be any other color but white, and that can be really inconvenient. So what I might do is go over here, and I might take the cover image away. So now it just says Wakelet Tutorial, and it automatically, defaults to black. So then I can copy it again and embed again. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks!